Hey guys, still out here in the Australian desert. Very hot. It's quite beautiful though with the bright red sand. I've got another plant here that you can eat. And it's one of my favorite ones out here. It tastes very good. It's called ruby saltbush or barrier saltbush. Take a look at that. Such a pretty plant. It almost looks like a little Christmas tree with those brightly colored baubles. Now the leaves look sort of like rosemary and you can eat them, though it doesn't taste like rosemary. It just has a kind of generic leafy flavor. It's best to cook them. They do have a decent amount of oxalates in them. But the berries, that's what I'm after. Usually they'll fruit after rain, and it just takes a tiny bit of rain for a massive crop. You can get a couple handfuls from each bush, and they just grow everywhere when you're in the right habitat, which is this sort of real fine clayey sand. And you'll often find them under trees. That's what the berries look like. They're real bright, and they taste as good as they look. They have real juicy, watery, sweet flavor. Kind of like pomegranate or sweet bell pepper or capsicum. And also like pomegranate, they've got this seed, but the seed's not acrid. It's very pleasant. It's sort of like burnt popcorn or popped rice, something like that. And the more you chew it, the more this buttery flavor comes out. And if you chew it for a while, you get this really nice buttery taste, which is pretty unique in this area. I haven't come across a flavor like that. I've been spending the last few hours just foraging for these berries. I've eaten so many, but you don't get sick of them. They're so refreshing, especially of course when it's so hot. They do stain your hands with this red-orange colouring, and traditionally it was used as a kind of face paint or just by kids to sort of play and colour things. They're the markings that are left on my hand, and the seeds, they'll stain your tongue dark brown or kind of black. I wonder if I have that. I'm sure I do. So it's just something to be aware of. So yeah, the scientific name, if I didn't say it already, is Enchilena tomentosa. But I think that's about it. See you in the next video.